methods.
I'm going to explain about GitLab implementation for Devops. GitLab is a really powerful tool to use for better deployment and efficiency for development. It is used widely across programmers since it has many important features and also helps improve the code and efficiency of delivery. Here we're going to discuss about how we're going to use GitLab. Here I'm going to show you how to create a new project. Here there are many options you can choose from. You can also use some templates which are built inside GitLab. For now there are 19 different templates, such as for HTML, Android, JavaScript, iOS, Swift. Depends, but if you have something or if you're developing something which is not built-in template, you can also always import your project and its settings. It supports up to more than 40 different types of environments. You can also use a CDI or CD pipeline for external repositories, which can help us to use pull and fetch, or sorry, catch and fetch commands from even GitHub, so that you can connect from other repositories and use them and use the other pipelines which are being created inside or outside of the scope. You can also create groups which can help you to monitor your colleagues and their performance. I've gone ahead and created some templates for some test cases here. This is a HTML template. The most important file to be configured is the GitLab file here. It has a different extension here, but this defines this defines the web IDE part, so that you can start using the web IDE to develop on the website, so that you can if anyone who has access to GitLab, or if the company has given access to GitLab to a specific employee, he or she does not require a specific hardware restriction. It can be run on the website, so development will never have a downtime. This is a really big advantage, because sometimes hardware requirements and hardware failure does cause downtime in a project. We can also I've also gone ahead and created a JavaScript template, which also inside GitLab we can use the auto DevOps enable feature. This helps us to create a different type of pipeline. Here these pipelines can be used to do or implement CI or CD. Here you can see we have different types of strategies where you can choose from, and then depending upon which strategy you're using, you need to configure some other things like the qubits cluster integration. After I've implemented auto DevOps, now we have a pipeline which has been passed, and if you go and check ahead, you will see how much time it took to create a pipeline. And then after you create this pipeline, everyone you add in this pipeline can be using the code and using the pipeline to push or pull and develop continuously without any interference. And also you can for the HTML test case here, you can see that the template has created a page. This page which it has created is basically, for example, let's say in this scenario, your company is developing a website for a client. We can use this template as the default output as the web IDE, because in this scenario we don't have a web IDE in HTML, but for JavaScript you might have, because it supports. But here you can use your own Google Chrome, and when you build the environment, it creates the output as for the output of the files to display it on the browser which you are using, and you can view your changes what you have done here in this page immediately. This also helps to mitigate any kind of hardware or software requirements inside development environment, so that if any scenario any person doesn't have any specific hardware or software requirements, they can still go to GitLab and use the web IDE to not have any business downtime. Yes.